Good evening, guys. Can you hear me? Am I audible? Online and offline. Good evening, Abzul. Right. So let's start. I think yesterday we completed soft links, right? So today we'll complete hard link and then we'll start filter commands, right? Yes, good evening, Chinmay. Good evening, Ramavat. Good evening, Srinivas. Subramanyam, good evening. Sharad, good evening. Rakesh, good evening, guys. Abzul, good evening. Right, guys. So let's start. Sunil, as seen today, your first class, no issues. Continue. So you're going to get the videos from management, like previous classes videos, right? Continue. So if you're good, then it's not a problem. Maybe if you're having any problem, so while we are trying to discussing about Linux at the time, maybe you're going to face some problems because almost we completed more than 7 classes, right? 6 to 7 classes, right? So 8 days we completed 8 classes. Please go through those videos, then you can able to understand. As in, okay. Size of soft link means that link file always 0 only, na? Okay. Actually, so we doesn't have the content into the soft link, right? Yes, no. We don't have the content into the soft link because that is a shortcut only, right? Just it's a very just a one shortcut to that particular file. That's it. So we doesn't have the content. Always the shortcut size 0 only, na, right? Okay, so let's start, guys. So how to create the hard link? How to create hard link? Yeah, welcome, Asin. Sunil, good. Okay. VM tutor is a command to know the information help related to VMware. Sorry. So VM only. VIM only. VIM means visual editor, not VM, VIM. VIM is an editor, right? So we discuss different types of options yesterday in different modes. Those all the options will have into VIM, VI tutor. So VIM tutor is a command. It's not a VIM space tutor, guys. This is both one word, VIM tutor. So if you execute this command, you're going to get the help related to VIM editor. Okay. Yeah, welcome, guys. Durga. So let's see, guys, here. So now we are trying to creating hard link. At present, we are into home student. Got it, guys? We are into home student. So home student directory. So now we are trying to creating one file with the help of cat command. Cat space greater than hard is a file name. Hard link is a backup. Hard link is a backup, guys. Little bit louder. No, it's okay. Right. So now hit enter. Now we are trying to writing this is a hard link. Control T to save the file, right? So let's check the list. Hard file, it got created inside the home student, right? Now we are trying to creating the backup file, one mirror image for this file. Mirror image, right? Same duplicate. It's a one backup file. So now we are trying to creating one hard link on top of the desktop per hard file. So we are on top of the desktop now, right? So how to create the hard link? ln is a command. ln is a command. Don't give -s option. Just ln is enough. ln is enough. Home, student, hard. Then h1. Example. So h1 is a hard link. Backup file. h1 is a backup file for whom? Hard file. Then hit enter. So h1 file, it got created on top of the desktop. So if you open h1, you'll have this as a hard link. So guys, if you edit, if you did the modification into the h1, automatically those modification, it is going to reflect into the hard file. So like soft link only, right? Double greater than h1. Then welcome to NIT, Control D to save the file. Let's check the h1 content. We have this is a hard link and welcome to NIT. Let's check the main file. Both having same content. I hope you got it, guys, right? So home, student, hard. This is a main file. It having same content. If you did the modification into the h1, those modification automatically it is reflecting into the hard file. If you did the modification into the hard file, automatically it will reflect into the h1. Right, guys? Now, how we need to verify both the files are same or different like that? How we need to verify? So with the help of size, that's it, no? So du-h is a command to know the file size. Not only file size, directory size also you can know, right? So du-h, disk usage, -h means human readable format. Got it, guys? So now let's check the h1 size. See, h1 having content, but yesterday we created s1. s1 doesn't have the content. s1 is a shortcut for soft link, soft file, right, guys? h1, it's a hard link, it's a backup file. h1 also having the content, right? So let's check the size of your main file. I hope you got it, guys. Both the files having the content. So one more way, how we need to identify? Using inode numbers. How to know the inode number? ls-i is a command. h1 173 is inode number for h1. ls-i home student hard. Both the files inode numbers are same. Means both the files are same. Now, if you delete the hard file, can we able to get the content from h1? Yes, I said backup, right? Even if you delete the hard file, we can able to get the content from h1. Hard link means backup. Soft link means shortcut. If you delete the main file, you're not going to get the content from s1 because that is shortcut only. That's it. But it's not a shortcut. It's a one mirror image. It's a one backup file. Guys, we are unable to create the hard link with directories. So hard links only for files, not for directories. Now we are trying to deleting. How to delete? Home, student, hard. Now hard file, it got deleted. Let's check the content of h1. Can we? We can. I hope you got it, guys. So the differences between soft link and hard link. So hard link is a backup file. Okay, so maybe by mistake, your original file, if it is deleted, we can able to recover the content from backup file like H1. So I hope you got it right. Okay. So this is all about very basics, guys. Okay. So now from now onwards, we'll start filter commands. Now onwards, we'll start filter commands. So how to filter the content from our file and those all stuff. Before discussing about filter command, first of all, we'll discuss about ls command, guys. List command. ls command we'll discuss, and after completing the ls command, we'll start filter commands. Okay. Right. So few syntaxes we are going to use frequently for ls. This is a 4 p.m. batch, right? Clear? Right. So let's start. ls full form, list directory content. Okay. So what is the use of ls? List directory content. How many files and directories will have inside the directory, so we can able to get the list. Right, guys? So frequently used options with ls command, now we are going to discuss. Right, guys? Okay, so we are trying to creating few files and directories on top of the desktop for demonstration purpose, right? So with the help of touch command, we are trying to creating few files using mkdir. We are trying to creating few directories, right? So touch is a command. For example, we are trying to creating file 1 to file 4, right? So touch small letter F1 to F4, right? So few files and directories we are trying to creating, guys. K1 to K4, right? mkdir, dir1 to dir4, right? mkdir d1 to d4. So like this, we created few files and directories on top of the desktop. So how we need to know the list? See, guys, if we having the graphical user interface, okay, easily we can able to find how many files and how many directories we'll have on top of the desktop, right? So assume this, we are accessing TUI mode, text user interface mode. Got it, guys? So if you are trying to accessing text user interface mode, then how you can able to know that particular directory, it having how many files it having? We don't know. So how we need to know? Using ls command. ls means list directory content. How many files and directories will have on top of the desktop? We can able to get the list, right, guys? But we are not going to get any properties of files and directories. Just we are going to get the names. D1, D2, D3, D4, like this. We'll get the names. You are not going to get any properties. Properties means metadata, file type, permissions, right? Owner, group owner, size of your file, right? And then timestamp. Those all the properties of particular file, right? How to know the properties of file? ls-l. L means long list, right, guys? So hit enter. How many files and directories will have on top of the desktop? Those all the files and directories will get with properties. ls-l is a command. We are going to get the long list, right? ll also same. ls-l, ll both are same. Both it will print same output, long list. ll means. I hope you're clear, guys. Right, guys? ls-l both are same, right? I hope you're clear, guys. ls-al. A means all. A means all, including hidden. Clear? ls is a command. It will provide you only file names and directory names. ls-l or ll, both are same. It will provide the long list. Along with the file name, you'll get the metadata properties also. ls-al, a means all, including hidden files. Including hidden files, guys. See, guys, here we doesn't have any hidden files. By default, we'll have dot dot dot. How to create the hidden file? Let's see. Touch cat vi vim, whatever if you want you can use. How we need to hide the file? In the sense, we need to keep the dot in front of the file name. For example, h1 is a file name, guys. We need to keep dot in front of the file name. Excuse me. Let's check the list. Can we able to find out the h1? No. h1 it got hide. In your mobile also you can try in Android. In your mobile also, maybe if you're having any secret files, in front of the file name keep dot, but you need to remember where you are like stored that particular file path. Otherwise, that's it. Okay. So in front of the file name, we need to keep the dot. So if you keep the dot, it is going to hide. How to know the hidden files? ls-al. If you want, you can create hidden directories also. For example, L1 is a directory. Then keep the dot in front of the L1. If you check ls command, we are unable to get the hidden files and directories. ls-al is a command. All including hidden. Right, guys? All. Clear? How to unhide? How to unhide? Huh? So those all hidden files, right? We need to unhide. mv dot h1 to h1. I hope you got it, guys. Clear? How to unhide the files. We need to move hidden file to normal file. So clear? So I hope you got it, guys. Yes, no? Good. Next. ls. How to unhide? That is what we did now. mv is a command. mv move, renaming. So dot h1 file will have, right? So dot h1 we are trying to moving into h1. You can give any name, it is going to move into that particular name. Okay, right, guys? Good. ls hyphen l, if you need to know the particular file property, ls hyphen l, for example, file 1. Only we are going to get the file 1's property. ls hyphen l star, file star, file 1, file 2, file 3, file 4 properties will get. Star means all. What is a technical name? Technically, what we need to call? Wildcard character. Wildcard expression or wildcard character, you need to call star. All, right? I hope you got it, guys. Okay? Good. Very good, Durga. So clear, guys? Durga and Chenmai and right? Very good. So clear, guys? Okay. ls hyphen ld. D means directories property. ls hyphen l, we are going to know the file property. ls hyphen ld to know the directory property. For example, dir1. So dir1 property will get. If you're providing dir star, dir1, dir2, dir3, dir4. So like this, we'll get the properties of particular directories. So I hope you got it, guys. ls-ld is an option to know the properties of directories. Clear? Good. Now I need to filter. If you execute ls-l, we'll have few files and directories, but according to my requirement, I need to filter starting letter K files, starting letter F files, both. Okay. How? ls-l, right? Open the square brackets. Inside the square brackets, we need to provide starting letter K file, starting letter F file. Not only two, you can use starting letter some different file also. For example, we are trying to providing capital H will have, right guys? Then star. Now starting letter K file, starting letter F files, and starting letter capital H files will get. I hope you got it, guys. So F1, F2, F3, F4, K1, K2, K3, K4, H1. Clear? Right. So now, apart from that, everything we need to print. Apart from starting letter F files, starting letter K files, everything we need to print. We need to avoid. So starting letter F file should not print. Starting letter K file should not print. Got it, guys? ls-l, open the brackets, K and F, close the bracket. You need to keep exclamatory mark in front of that KF, right? Then star, not symbol. So now it is not going to print starting letter K files and starting letter F files. Got it, guys? Then hit enter. See, guys, everything it will print apart from starting letter K and starting letter F. So I hope you're clear how we need to avoid not symbol. We need to keep in front of those letters. Not means apart from that, everything it will print. So clear? Right. Next, ls-l, right guys? ls-ltr, ltr, ls-ltr. Got it, guys? ls-ltr. L means long list, T time, R reverse. R means reverse. Got it, guys? R means reverse. So time wise, we are going to filter. Okay. Timestamp wise, we are going to filter. So got it, guys? R reverse. L long list. T time. Small r reverse. Capital R. Very good. Recursively. Capital R is a recursively. Small r is reverse. It is going to print in reverse way. Then only we are going to get the time wise. Okay, right. Okay. Now we are trying to creating few files using touch command, right? Rat, mat, fat, hat. Then tell me cat, bat. Okay. Already mat I have given. Okay. So now hit enter. Rat, mat, fat, hat, cat, bat. Right? So if you observe, you'll have R here in this file. 80 is common. Coming to here also, first letter is a different and 80 is a common. I hope you got it, guys. In this file also 80 common. So first letter only different. Remaining two letters are AT common only. In this file also same. In this file also same, and in this file also same. Now, if you execute ls-l, we'll get the huge content, right? Now we need to filter and letter should AT like this files. The file name should end with AT like this files we need to filter. Then how? Think. ls-l AT na. Star AT. Okay, good attempt. Star is a wildcard character. It will consider anything, right, guys? Yes, we got the output. Starting letter B, bat, mat, cat, rat, those files, everything we got it, right? Starting letter is a different, remaining all same. 80, right? Okay. I hope you got it, guys. Instead of star, here I have given question mark. Question mark. Same output only we are getting, right? Now, what is the difference between star and question mark? Yes, guys. What is the difference between star and question mark? Both are same. Who said? So how both are same? Because you're getting same output, huh? See, guys, star, question mark, both are different. Star, it will consider everything. Question mark is a expression. It will consider only one character from your file name. We have 3 character files, right? Bat, mat, cat, rat, right? 3 characters. First character, it may be anything. If you want, you can use star, otherwise question mark, right? Let's see. I'll give the clarity. ls-l, right? Capital F star. File 1, file 2, file 3, file 4 we got, right? ls-l capital F question mark. What happened? ls-l small f question mark. Can you be able to get the result? Yes. F1, F2, 2 character files will have. Question mark, it will consider only one character, your file name. I hope you got it. I'll simplify. Let's see here. 2 question marks I'm providing. 2 character files, everything will get F1, F2, F3, F4, H1, H. Against capital H1 will have K1, K2, K3, K4, D1, D2, D3, D4. 2 character files. Means one question mark, it will consider one character from your file name. 3 character files will get. So 4 question marks, 4 character files will get. DR1, DR2, DR3, DR4. I hope you got it, guys. Difference between star and question mark. Clear? Star is a wildcard expression. Question mark is an expression. It will consider only one character from your file name. I hope you got it. Clear? Good. ls-l A to D star. Starting letter A, starting letter B, starting letter C, starting letter D files that will print. Okay, I'll do one thing. Create one file with A letter starting, right? Then ls-l, open the square brackets. A to C I'm providing, okay? Starting letter A file, starting letter B file, starting letter C file. 1 to 20, 20 to 40. Like this also you can give the numbers. I hope you're clear, guys. Those all the options we are going to use with ls command frequently. Clear? Those options we are going to use with ls command. So I hope you got it. Yes, no. Good. Next, we'll start filter commands now. 2 characters, 2 question marks means. Right? I hope you got it, guys. Next, filter commands. Filter commands will start with grep, G-R-E-P, grep, not grep, grep, G-R-E-P. It's a very useful command. Please focus on it in real time. grep stands for global regular expression print. grep stands for global regular expression print. I hope you got it, guys. What is the use of grep? We can able to find out the words from files. We can able to find the files from directories. Got it, guys? Using grep command, we can filter according to our requirement words from files. Okay, we can find the words from files as well as we can find the files from directories. Let's see, guys, here. How to print the file content? Cat is a command. Very good, Sunil. Cat is a command to print the file content. Guys, instead of creating the files, I'm using few configuration files for doing demonstration here. So got it, guys. Instead of creating the files, I'm trying to utilizing few configuration files from operating system. We need one file. It should have content. The 2 huge content we should have, right, guys? So because of that reason, I'm considering few configuration files. I'm trying to taking few configuration files from operating system for doing demonstration, for doing the practical session instead of creating the file, right, guys? Cat etc password is a file. You don't know about etc password, don't worry. Maybe after a few days you can able to understand what is etc password and those all stuff. etc contain, yes, etc contain configuration files. Password is a one configuration file, guys. It having huge content, right, guys? How to print the file content? Using cat command, then hit enter. So we'll have the huge content. From this content, we need to find few words. For example, I need to find the root word. Can we able to find the root word, guys? It's a bit difficult to us because this file, it having the huge content. We need to find out the words from those files. In the sense, it's a bit difficult to us. So because of that reason, we are using grep command to find the words from this file. Got it, guys? Right. How we need to find the words? Grep is a command, right? Grep is a command. Grep stands for global regular expression print. Root is a word. Root is a word. It's not a user. It's not a directory. This is word. One word, right? Grep space word name to whom we need to find. From where we need to find name. Simple, guys. Grep is a command. Root is a word. Root word we are finding from etc password file. Got it? Root word We are finding from etc password file. So then hit enter. See guys, how many root words will have? It is going to highlight 4 root words will have into 2 different lines. So this is a first line having 3 root words and second line having 1 root word. Total 4 root words will have inside the etc password. Clear? Not only root word, you can find any word from your file, right? So if you need line numbers, right? If you need line numbers, add one option called -n. -n is an option. It will print line numbers. Option, what it will do? It will adjust the behavior of the command. I hope you got it, guys. If you're providing -n option, it will print the line numbers. So first line is a first line only. Second line is a 10th line. This is 10th line. Right, guys? 3 root words will have into first line and 1 root word will have in 10th line. I hope you got it, right? Then grep is a command. Student is a word. We are trying to finding from etc password file. Yes, we have student word. So if you need to know the line number, right? If you need to know the line number, we need to add -n, 38th line. I think it's the last line. I hope you got it, guys. How to find the words from file. Guys, can we able to find the multiple words from file, one file? etc password file will have. So now we use root word separately and student word separately. Both I need to find at a time. Can we? Yes. We can able to find out the multiple words from single file. How? Grep is a command, -e is an option. Then root is a word, -e, student is a word from etc password file. Got it? If you need line numbers, you can add -n also. It will print the line numbers. Clear, guys? It's a very simple, but it's very useful in real-time environment. Got it, guys? How to find the words from file using grep command. If you want, you can find multiple words also from grep, right? Can we able to find single word from multiple files? One word. Root is a word we need to find from etc password as well as etc group, 2 different files. So from 2 different files, can we able to find single word? Yes. Grep is a command. Root is a word. Got it, guys? Let's see here. Grep is a command. Root is a word. etc password space etc group. This is file 1 etc password and this is a file 2 etc group. We are trying to finding root word from etc password as well as from etc group. I hope you got it, guys. Then hit enter. See, I hope you're clear. So how to find the words from multiple files? So it's a very easy to find the words from multiple files. Clear, guys? Good. Grep is a command. -v is an option. While we are trying to writing the script at the time, I will show you what is the use of -v. V means excluding, apart from that word, everything it will print. Grep space -v. V means excluding that particular word, right? So root word we need to avoid. We need to avoid the root word. Apart from root word, remaining content we need to print from etc password file. Got it, guys? Apart from root word, everything it will print. We means excluding that particular word. We are avoiding that word. It is not going to print. Apart from that word, everything it will print. Everything it will print. Hyphen V means excluding that particular word. Right. Grep is a command. Hyphen N capital B4. B capital B. Capital B means before. Capital B means before. Right, guys? Grep space hyphen N numbers capital B before 4 lines. Clear? Now root. Okay, we'll do one thing. Wheel is a word. We are trying to finding this wheel word from etc group file. Guys, wheel is a default group. Don't worry, we'll discuss while we are discussing about sudo permissions at the time. Grep is a command hyphen N capital B4. Number your wish. According to your requirement, you can give the number. Depends upon your requirement. Wheel is a word we are trying to finding from etc group file. But here we provided one option along with the wheel word. We are going to get additional 4 lines before wheel. Got it. 11th line is a wheel. Before wheel will have 4 lines. 10, 8, 10, 9, 8, 7. Clear? I hope you got it. If you want, you can give 6. You'll get the 6th line before. Excuse me, guys. Hyphen N capital A4. A means after. B before, A after. Clear? See, guys, wheel is a word. After wheel word, we'll have the 4 lines. So grep hyphen N A 6 wheel, then etc group. Got it, guys? So wheel and after wheel word will have 6 lines. So I hope you're clear, guys, how we need to find the words from files using grep command, right? Okay. Now we'll discuss how we need to find the files from directories using grep, right? CD dev directory. Dev contain E for multiple words. E is an option to explain, to like find the multiple words from single file. Root, student, and some different word. So if you are trying to finding the multiple words at a time from one file, at the time we need to provide E option. Hyphen E. Got it? So clear? Right. So see dev contain. Yes, guys. Device files, right? Dev contain device files. ls-l is a command. So we'll have character files, log files, all the device files will have inside the dev directory. Guys, if you execute ls-l command, so dev directory, it having huge content. Some content it got scroll up. Okay. So hardly we have the 15 inches screen here, right? So we can able to find hardly 20 to 30 lines. It having hundreds of the lines. So few lines it got scroll up, right? Yes, no. Now our requirement is we need to find block files. How you're going to identify the block files? How you're going to identify the block files? Which symbol we should have in front of the file B? B we should have in front of the file. So that is all block files, right? We'll have C in front of the file. Those are character files, right? Now we need to filter block files because block files, it got scroll up. Some content, it got scroll up. We need to find out the block files. So we should have the B in front of the file name like this files we need to filter. Guys, ls-l, what it will do? Very good. Durga, Chenmai. So observe. Afzal, good guys. Yes, ls-l, what it will do? It will provide the list of your directory content. How many files and directories will have inside the dev directory it is going to print. Right, guys? Right. Now, pipe symbol. Pipe. Pipe. Grep is a command. Y cap. Okay, cap is the right answer. Y cap. Huh? So how you are trying to filtering with the help of cap? Without cap, can we? We can. Here we are try to filtering block files. Block files, how we are try to filtering? B we should have in front of the file name. Means total output. So from here to here, it's a total output, right? In this output, first letter should be not from file name. Remember, not from file name. We need to consider total output. So from here to here, it's a total output, right? Right? So in output, first letter should be. So because of that reason, we are using cap symbol. Cap is an expression. It will consider first letter from your output. Got it, guys? So cap is an expression. It will consider first letter from your output. First letter should be. That's it now. Those all block files. Then if you're providing B, got it, guys? Starting letter B files. SDA, SDA1, SDA2, SR0, DM01, DM0, DM1, DM2, and those all stuff. I hope you got it, guys. First letter should be. First letter should be those all block files. How we are trying to filtering first letter B files using cap. Okay, what is this, guys? ls-l, pipe, grep. Why we need to use pipe here? Yes, guys. Why we need to use pipe? Filtration. We are doing filtration only. Why we need to use the pipe? To execute multiple commands with combination. So we should use pipe. ls-l is a one command. Grep is another command. We are executing both the command at a time with combination. Okay. How many of you know like weightlifting man in gym? Usually will how you are going to lift the weight? We'll have the plates, right? Plates. We need to keep the plate. We need to put the plate with the help of one pipe, rod, pipe, whatever it may be. Using this rod, we are going to lift those both the plates. LS is a one plate, grep is another plate. We are going to lift those both at a time using pipe symbol. Clear? If you need one more example, okay, combined in two commands only. Here we'll have many poor people, Sunil, because of the reason I'm trying to giving like this examples, okay? To perform both tasks, Durga, very good, right? Clear? Okay. So one more example, if you need, I'll give you. I hope like you know Triple R movie. No, you know RRR, Triple R movie, right? Yes, no. In that movie, how many heroes will have? Two heroes will have, right? So without those both the peoples, there is no Triple R, right? Ram Charan is a one plate and NTR is another plate. Those both the peoples, they're playing the roles into Triple R movie. Without Ram Charan, pipe is a Rajamouli. I hope you got it, guys. Clear? Right, good. So I hope you're clear now why we need to use pipe. If you try to executing filter commands, guys, it's not like this. Grep command we need to use with ls. You can use with any command. If you're getting huge output, you need to filter that output using grep. We can using pipe simple. Okay, right. So now let's see, guys, here. ls-l, what it will do, it will list the directory content. From the directory content, we doesn't need entire directory content. We need only block files. Using grep command, we are going to filter starting letter B files. Cap is a mandatory here because we are trying to considering the B from output. First letter should have an output. Okay, right. ls-l grep, right? I need end letter T files. T dollar. Dollar is an expression. I hope you got it. End letter T files, everything. It will print. So clear, guys? I hope you got it, right? Okay. ls-l grep. If you want, you can give file name also like this, SDA. SDA related all files it will print. I didn't provide any expression, cap, dollar like that. So if you're providing the word, it is going to consider file name. SDA, SDA1, SDA2, 3 files will have. Clear, guys? How to filter, right? Okay. Using grep command. WC is a command. WC is a word count, right, guys? WC means word count. WC/etc, for example, password. So from etc password, how many lines will have, how many words will have, how many characters will have, we can able to find. See, guys, 38 lines will have, 66 characters will have, sorry, 66 words will have, 1917 characters will have. Right, guys? Guys, those all filter commands, it's very useful commands in real time. WC-L is option. etc password is a file name. 38 lines will have. It will print only lines. -L is option. WC-W etc password. 66 words will have. WC-C characters. 1917 characters will have. L means lines, W means words, C characters. right? Okay. Now, how many block files will have into our operating system? We need to find the count. How? You know ls command, you know grep command, now you know wc command also, right? ls-l, what it will do, it is going to list the directory content from dev, right? Grep is a command, cap is expression, b is option, again pipe, wc-l, this pipe is a Ajay Devgan, that's it now. Ajay Devgan, his father Ram Charan's son, NTR's father Ajay Devgan only, no? In RRR movie, man. This pipe is Ajay Devgan. Don't say in interview like that, okay? So for understanding purpose, I'm saying. So घबरा जाएगा वो जो interview कर रहा है. So LSFNL is a Ram Charan like that, okay? God. For understanding purpose, just I'm using those tricks. That's it. Because we'll have the many non-IT background peoples, right? So they don't know what is exactly pipe and those all stuff. It's easily you can able to understand, right? Okay, so let's see guys here. Total 7 files we'll have. Clear? This is what real time. Like this only we are going to execute the commands into the real time according to our requirement. Simple. You need to focus, that's it. Right guys? So clear guys. I hope you're clear about grep and WC or count, right? Next, I'll do one thing. I'll copy the history. Then, so few commands we need to execute with root user. So because of that reason, we are going to switch from ls command you can execute with normal user also. Less command and more command we can able to execute. But actually we are using etc password file, right? If you try to editing etc password, you are going to get the read only permission. Student user doesn't have the permission to edit the configuration file, right? So because of that reason, I'm going to switch from student user to root user to avoid like this errors. Okay. Okay, I'll copy the history, grep command and wc command history. Yes, guys, I hope you're clear. So do you have any difficulty here? So it's very easy, man. It's not a big deal. So you need to focus. You should do the practice. That's it. So if you're doing the practice, everything is easy. Okay. Very good, Afzal. Right. Okay. So now we'll continue with root user. Okay. Login as a root. We are into root user now. Right. Okay. So how to print the file content, guys? Cat is a command to print the file content, right? Cat etc password, for example, right? We print the file content. Can we able to navigate the content of the file using cat command? Cat command, it will print only standard output. It may be 100 lines, it may be 200 lines, it will print. That's it. We are unable to navigate and we are unable to read the content from the starting onwards, starting file onwards, starting line onwards. That's it now, guys. Can we able to navigate the content? If you're using up arrow, down arrow, there is no use, right? If you're having the huge content, you need to read the files. You need to navigate the files, file content. We are going to use less command. Less. Less is a command to navigate. How to clean history? History -c. Chenmai. We have history, right? History -C. There is no history gone, right? Okay. So let's see guys here. Less is a command. Less is a command. etc password is a file name. Then hit enter. Guys, this is a starting line from etc password file. This is starting line, starting page, right guys? You can navigate according to your requirement using navigation keys like up arrow, down arrow, right guys? So you can use navigation keys. So up arrow, down arrow, according to your requirement, you can navigate the file content. Got it guys? Right? So we'll have few options in less command we'll discuss now. To navigate the file content, we are going to use less and as well as more also. We'll discuss later about more, right? So now we are discussing about less command. So simple, less and space file name, that's it. Then you can navigate the file. You can read the file content according to your requirement. You can navigate it. In less command, we have few options. Now we'll discuss. D is an option. D for doll. D is an option. Next page. B for boy. B is an option. Previous page. We can able to navigate using those shortcuts. D next page. B previous page. D is an option. Next page. B is an option. Previous page. Next page. D. Previous page. B. C. D. Next page will get. B. Previous page we are going to get. If you want to can use page up and page down keys also. D is an option. Next page for next page. B is an option to navigate to previous page. Right? Clear guys? Forward slash to find the words from your file. Forward slash, right? For example, we are trying to finding one word called LP. How many LP words will have it is going to highlight. Forward slash to find the words. Sync is a word. How many sync words will have it will find. I hope you got it guys. D next page. B previous page. Forward slash to search the words from file. To search the words from file. Forward slash. Guys, can we able to edit the file content using less command? For example, it having hundreds of the lines, this file, you are trying to reading the file content, you find few mistakes, you need to edit the mistake. How we can able to edit the mistakes? So you are going to quit from less and then you're going to open this file with the help of VI or VIM editor and then you're going to edit, right? No need to do like that. Directly you can switch from less to VI editor. Now we are going to discuss how, right? So clear? V is an option. V is an option. We are going to switch from less to VI editor, not into VIM. VI. V for victory. V for victory, right? Got it, guys? V is an option to switch from less to VI editor. Got it, guys? It's a very simple, man. D next page. B previous page. Forward slash to search the words from file. V is an option to switch from less command to VI editor. Now we are into VI editor. Use I insert mode we got. Then edit the content of the file according to your requirement and then escape colon WQ and we are back to less. Now we need to quit from less. Q is an option. We are back to terminal. Simple. Less is a command /etc password, then hit enter. Then according to your requirement, you can navigate the file content using navigation keys. Up arrow, down arrow, you can navigate it, right? Then you need to go to next page. D is option next page. B is option previous page. / to search the words from file, right? V is an option. We are into VI editor, not VIM, VI editor. Then I insert, then edit the content of the file, then escape WQ, save and quit. We are back to less. Q, we are going to quit from less. Simple. V guys, option to edit the file content. Okay. V is option. Q to quit from less command. I hope you're clear. How we need to navigate the file content with less, right? Like the same way, we'll have one more command called more. More command. Less, more, almost same. Same options only. etc password file only we are using. But what is the difference between less and more in the sense? More command, it will show you the content of your file percentage wise. 62%. Hit enter. 65. 68. 70. Same options. B, previous page. D, next page. Right, guys? / to search. V to edit the file content. VI editor. Colon WQ. Then Q, quit from more. Same options you can use. What kind of options we are using in less command? Same options you can use in more. More and less almost same. Both are same. If you want, you can use less. If you want, you can use more. Right, guys? Good. Next, head is a command. Head is a command. Right, guys? What wow, man, observe. So good expression. So head is a command. Head means head. Okay. First 10 lines from your file content by default. Starting 10 lines, it will print from your file. Head, then etc password. From etc password, you're going to get starting 10 lines. Got it, guys? If you want, you can count. We'll have 10 lines. Okay. So no need to bother about that. Mission, it will provide perfect output. Okay. So I think it's not a human, right? So humans, they're going to do few mistakes, right? So how the program it got like written inside the operating system like the same way, right, guys? So head is a command. It will print starting 10 lines by default, right? If you need only 4 lines, starting 4 lines, -n4 R4, whatever, if you want, you can give, right? etc password, starting 4 lines, it will print. So if you want, you can use 20. If you want, you can use according to your requirement 8. So by default, no need to provide 10. By default, it will print 10. Starting first 10 lines, it will print from your file. I hope you got it, guys, right? Head is a command. Head default behavior. It will print starting 10 lines. First 10 lines from your file. According to your requirement, you can add the option, right? So then you can get the lines. So -4, -6, -8, -20, like this, right? Next, tail is a command. Last 10 lines. Tail is a command. Last 10 lines it will print from etc password. Last 10 lines it will print. Tail command. Head and tail. Right? So last 10 lines it will print. So if you want to, you can use option according to your requirement, like tail -n for etc password, right? Then hit enter. Last 4 lines will get. So I hope you're clear, guys. Head and tail. Okay. Reverse order. Who said? Sunil. Tail, it will print not into reverse order. Last 10 lines only. Reverse order means that is different story. Assigning, designing order is a different. Right. So now next we are going to discuss sort command. With the help of sort command, we can. Okay. So I hope you're clear, guys. Head and tail. Don't ask how we need to get the middle of the lines. Okay. Head it is saying, head it is printing first 10 lines. Tail it is saying last 10 lines. How we need to get the middle lines. That is also I will teach you. Don't worry, not now. Using AWK. While we are discussing about scripts at the time, I will teach you. Don't worry. That is also I will teach you. Don't worry. How we need to pick according to your requirement lines from your file content, right? So I hope you're clear. Yes, no, right. Next command sort. Sort. So it will like sort the content of your file in assigning order, right? We'll do one thing. I miss one more option in grep command, guys. Let's see here. In grep grep, I miss actually. Cat, for example, file 1. Okay, we are writing hellos, hello, right? Again hello, then again hello, hello. 4 hellos will have, but into different cases. So few hello words will have into small letters, few hello words will have into capital letters, few hello words will have first letter small and the first letter capital, like this, right? Okay, let's see, guys. Here grep is a command. Then we are finding hello is a word. Hello is a word from file 1. It will print only one hello. Because Linux is a case sensitive, we provided only small, right? But in real-time environment, we'll have small letters as well as capital letters. Everything we need to filter. Everything we need to get, right? Grep is a command. -I is option. -I, it will print small letters as well as capital letters both. I hope you got it, right? Right. So clear, guys? Okay. Right. So now, can we continue? I think only 5 minutes will have. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to continue. So maybe you'll have some different sessions now, right? I know few people that are attending AWS and DevOps and those all stuff, right? Okay. So tomorrow we'll continue sort command, sort, set, find, right? And after completing those filter commands, right? We are going to start man command. How to get the proper manual page from our operating system to the particular resource and redirectors, right? After completing the redirectors, hopefully from Monday onwards, we are going to start administrative task, how to create the users and those all stuff. Okay. How to create the user, 7th chapter. Tomorrow we are going to complete hopefully first 6 chapters. I said now, first 6 chapters, it will take 10 days to complete. like the same only. Today 9th day, tomorrow 10th day. Right? Tomorrow we have the session. Tomorrow no holiday. So we are going to continue the session tomorrow. Right? Huh? Sunday holiday. Right? Enjoy. Sundays you can enjoy yourself. Okay? Yes, guys, after completing the demos, management, they will share you, don't worry. Swapna and Mahendra, right? You're enjoying class. Very good, Chinmay. Super. Thank you. So I hope you're clear. If you're having any doubts, any questions, please. In previous sessions, don't ask how to install the operating system. It's not possible to teach, right? Command PDF, I will share you, man. Ajit, don't worry. I'll share you now itself only. Commands history if you need. Guys, what happened? Huh? Tomorrow, no holiday. We have session. Okay. कल आप लोग है ना enjoy करो शाम में 5:30 के बाद में, right? Okay, guys. So I hope you don't have any doubts, right? You doesn't have any doubts. I have few doubts on you. Can I ask few questions? Huh? Are you ready? Huh? If you are trying to installing the softwares into your Linux operating system, those softwares by default where it will store? C drive. And C drive. Huh? Tomorrow no holiday, Ajit. No, Chinmay, wrong answer. No, wrong answer, Sunil. No, wrong answer, Chinmay. Yes, I'll give you chocolate on Monday. Tomorrow only for offline. If you are trying to install, we doesn't have drive letter concept. You people, you are saying D drive, E drive, C drive. In Linux, we don't have any drive letters, right? It doesn't have any drive letter concept in Linux, right? Hard disk. Manijanga, do you know Telugu? You don't know? Really, we are going to store into the hard disk? We know that in hard disk itself only we are going to store the operating system. I'm asking in your operating system, in your Linux. Very good. Chinmay, USR only, not bin. Observe. Very good. Observe. Right answer. USR, man. USR contain program files, right? Yes, no. You're saying bin, SBin, huh? etc contain what? Configuration files and then softwares both are same. If you're installing the softwares, configuration files, it will be generated related to that particular software, particular application. Both are different, right? Can I ask one more question? Almost 50% people's gone in online. Right, guys, we'll continue tomorrow. No need. Okay. So please go through those file system hierarchy video and then prepare the notes properly, right? So because without file system hierarchy, it's a bit difficult to you peoples understand the Linux concepts. To understand Linux concepts, please go through that file system hierarchy video. Clearly, we discuss each and every point in file system hierarchy, right? Okay, thank you guys. See you tomorrow. Bye. Take care. Happy weekend, right? From today itself, only you are celebrating weekend, right? Because of that reason, I'm saying happy weekend. From Saturday, Friday itself only people they're celebrating weekends, right? Okay. We have the session tomorrow, Swapna. No holiday. Tomorrow we are going to continue. Weekend we are going to enjoy into our class. If you're working people, Saturdays, holidays only, enough for you. Right? Okay. See you guys.